Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join the Wix Marketplace for 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you get started and become part of this exciting community of creators and entrepreneurs. First, open your web browser and go to wix.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. This begins the process of creating your Wix account if you don't already have one. If you do have an account, simply log in. For new users, click on Sign Up to create your profile. One quick way to speed up the process is by choosing Continue with Google, which links your Wix account directly to your Google account and saves you from entering extra details. Once your account is ready, head over to the Wix Marketplace. Here's where the fun begins. Click on Explore Services to see the variety of services available. This is a great place to discover experts who can help enhance your web projects. Take some time to browse expert profiles and check out what they offer. You might even find collaborators to bring your vision to life. Next, navigate to Explore Templates. This section gives you access to a huge range of professionally designed templates that you can use as a foundation for your website. When you see a selection like 290 studio templates found, click to explore the customizable options. This is perfect for finding inspiration and shaping your unique site style. And there you have it. Following these steps, you're now ready to join the Wix Marketplace and start making your mark in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides.